Hello, my adventurous friends. This is our beginning of new adventure, and we are headed toward Varanasi. Finally, after surviving the 20 hours of long journey, we arrived at the city of temples. After getting freshened up, now we decided to visit Sri Kal Bhairav Mandir. But before that, it's almost 1 pm and we need some appetite. So, firstly, we should have some food. अच्छा ये क्या चीज़ है?
ये स्वाद है, उसमें बस सेम है, आलू नहीं भरा है। इसके चाहे जैसे भी खा सके, चाय में, खाना में, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं चाहिए।
अच्छा
तो सब समझ सीख रहे हैं क्या?
नहीं तो ये खा लेंगे ना।
कौन सा?
Yeah. Oh my God, guys, you won't believe, but it's totally a coincidence that today is the anniversary of Kashi Vishwanath Mandir Pran Pratishtha, and people of Varanasi celebrating this by organizing this much large procession. Different kind of imitation of gods and deities. Some are dancing and some showing thriller activities. They are like totally mesmerizing, and at the same time some activities are ferocious. We are getting goosebumps. It's a chance of enjoy celebrations. How can I left behind? So we also get into this procession and dance a lot. After enjoying that so much beautiful and energized procession. Now we are on the way to Kal Bhairav temple.
सेव्यमान पावनाङ्घ्रि पङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादि योगी वृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे.
Whoa, just left Kal Bhairav Mandir in Varanasi. This fierce god stares right through you, devotees pouring liquor at his feet. It's like raw magic of Varanasi. Time, chaos, pure power. Bhairavji, you got me. Jai Kal Bhairav. So guys, we came out from the back door of Kal Bhairav temple, and me and my friend decided to visit Manikarnika Ghat. And while walking toward Manikarnika Ghat, I want to give you some advice when you visit the Kal Bhairav temple. When you enter the main temple of Kal Bhairav, after darshan of Kal Bhairav, you may go left or right downstairs the main platform. You will see a lot of pandas and pandits surrounding the temple. They all keep calling out you, saying to get the blessing of Kal Bhairav. They all give you black threads which you can actually buy outside the temple from shops for just 10 to 20 rupees each, and claim they are the priest of Kal Bhairav. They all chant some mantras while tying the black thread on your hand, and then demand a huge amount of money. 500,000 rupees, this kind of money. In my opinion, this is a kind of scam. Some people who aren't that well off end up giving 500 and 1000 rupees just to get rid of them, because the pandits or the pandas keep asking repeatedly. So guys, stay aware of these things. Here we are at Manikarnika Ghat, the eternal flame that never dies. Legends whisper that this is where Shiva himself dropped a sparkling earring into the Ganga, birthing these sacred waters. Walking with me, feel the weight of centuries under the feet. They say 24 hours a day, bodies arrive from across India. Woods stakes high like ancient offerings. A lifetime's story is reduced to embers, reminding us everything burns, but the soul, it flows eternal. This is afternoon time. We will back in the night and visit the ghat again. This is the ghat side exit of Kashi Vishwanath temple, just beside the Manikarnika Ghat. Here people take boat rides and go from Manikarnika Ghat to Assi Ghat and visit all the ghats between them. Just beside the Kashi Vishwanath Ghat side exit, this is the Raj Rajeshwari temple. After visiting this, we decide to take a boat ride to visit all the ghats. Now guys, our boat just departed and we are now visiting all the ghats. This boat ride cost us 100 rupees per person, and it's a sharing boat, so around 20 to 30 people in this boat, and it will cost 100 rupees per person. So I think this is budget friendly, and you will visit all the ghats between Manikarnika to Assi Ghat. This is Tripur Bhairavi Ghat. This is Man Mahal Ghat. This is Rajendra Prasad Ghat. This is Daswamedha Ghat, one of the prominent Ganga Aarti Ghat. You can see lot of crowd in the boats and also in the ghats. They are just waiting for Aarti, which around started around 6:30 p.m. राजमाता अहिल्याबाई घाट. मुंशी घाट. दिगपतिया घाट. This is Harish Chandra Ghat, another crematorial ghat like Manikarnika Ghat. So guys, this is the Assi Ghat, the last ghat of our boat ride, and from here we are headed back toward the Manikarnika Ghat, and we will see the boat view of Manikarnika Ghat, and that view is like out of the world. From these waters, Manikarnika reveals her heart. Flames leap high, consuming bodies wrapped in gold trapped shrouds. Each pyre a life story. Love, losses, dreams, now surrendering to Agni's embrace. Wood crackles, smoke rises like prayers to the stars. Shiva watches eternally. The Ganges whispers freedom. No end here, just transformation. Souls freed in fire. Feel it, the cycle turns what clings to you. This is the Ganga Aarti at Daswamedh Ghat, drawing crowd from all over the world. People watching this divine ceremony from both sides of the Aarti platform. It is a moment of pure emotion, surrendering the soul to the Divine Lord. So guys, now I am ending today's vlog. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow in the early morning we will visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple. So guys, enjoy your life. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram.